Welcome to Pingyao Old Street, where you can join us for a celebration of the Spring Festival with intangible cultural heritage and experience the most authentic Chinese New Year atmosphere. This ancient town, steeped in the authentic essence of Hangzhou, has seen its kiln fires burning for 1,000 years, infusing its annual customs with the rich cultural heritage of China. Writing Spring Festival couplets, making glutinous rice cakes, and tying New Year's wishes on the kiln mountain. Experiencing the making of tomatoes on sticks and dustings with chicken feathers, each craftsmanship carries the warmth of intangible cultural heritage. As night falls, lanterns shine brightly, and a riddle hidden in a lantern reveals the essence of Chinese romance. A feast on Yaoshan Mountain filled with the flavor of reunion in the region south of the Yangtze River. We sincerely invite friends from around the world to join us in exploring Pingyao Old Street, immersing themselves in the charm of the Chinese New Year, a time-honored cultural heritage, and experiencing the joy of the Spring Festival.